Hey, young English learners and users. Ben here from Jool Education, and today we're jumping into one of my favorite topics language, specifically creating a new one. Imagine you need to talk to aliens who don't speak any human languages. Or maybe you just want to make a secret language just for you and your friends. How would you even begin? Hmm. That's our big idea today from our Wordly Wise Vocabulary Book 4, Lesson 1. How do we invent and create new languages entirely from scratch? Our first word from our lesson that is going to help us today is develop. When you develop a language, you grow it. You build it up piece by piece. You might develop a whole new alphabet for your language or brand new words for things and ideas that already exist. Though you could even develop expressions, feelings, or concepts that haven't ever been invented before. Next up, represent. This word is incredibly important when you're making a language. Every sound for the spoken language or symbol for the written language has to represent something, like how the letter A represents a certain sound in English. When you invent, you decide what each part, sound, or letter will represent. You can make it simple and easy to learn and use. You can make it complex and codified. Or you can even make it creepy and haunting like these alien dudes here. And our last word today is sufficient. When you are developing a new language full of symbols, sounds, and letters, you have to ask yourself, is it sufficient? Is it enough? Does your new language have enough words or a sufficient number of symbols to say everything you need it to say? Which words, symbols, or concepts would you start with? The answer is Batman. All right, future language inventors, here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Develop a secret mini language for talking to your friends. This language needs at least 3 unique sounds or symbols, and each one must represent a specific message, like hungry, play, someone farted, or adults are coming, beware. Once you've created it, tell us, do you think your new language is sufficient for all the conversations you'll want or need to have? Why or why not? Bello. If you enjoyed developing a sufficient amount of symbols to represent concepts and ideas in your new language, then you're going to love what we've just developed for you here at Jool. We've got the entire lesson 1 with all 15 words, more jokes, more challenges like the one you just heard, and a free downloadable worksheet waiting for you. Just click the link to our blog post in the description below. And for an even more sufficient Jool learning project, discover your child's true English and critical thinking level. Book a free Jool level test and get personalized feedback from our principal, James. The link is right there in the description. Thanks for joining the Jool journey and keep those brains buzzing. We'll see you next time.